Hello everyone, and I'm giving you another demo of my Bluetooth modification for Delco radios from 1984 to about the mid 90s, like 94, 95. So what I've done to this Delco radio is the same I've done in the last one. Is I replaced the circuit board in here for the AFM tuner with one that is a Bluetooth one that I've made. Go back and see the first video if you have any questions about that. So the difference is the first one was a 1990 radio with bass and treble. This one here is a 1985 radio that has a 5-band EQ, and this one here, the tape deck, actually works. So in the car, let's go and turn on the radio. You can see the clock still works. Let's go and turn it on. Now this is AM. I got to set the AM first, but you can see everything's, I can still turn it. Not doing anything, but the numbers still change. So it looks factory, still looks authentic. But let's go ahead and do the FM. Now, as soon as I select FM here, you're going to see that the stereo light is going to start flashing. First of all, it's fast because it's searching for a phone. Then it's slow, indicating that it's syncing. And then it's going to turn solid on. Now it's actually connected to my phone down here. You see the Bluetooth volume actually came out. So in this one here, preset 1, 2, and 3 are your commands to control the Bluetooth. That's right, hands-free. Hit the number 2 preset, and now we can start playing music. Number 3 is going to be the next button. Go back, or go forward. Pause. There we go. Does everything. Let's play a tape. Eject. I can now, if it's playing and the tape goes in it, it does not do anything with the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth is still playing, unfortunately. So there you go. You can see how that's working. Let's go ahead and pause that. I do have a microphone in here to give me the hands-free for voice calling. That's right. This one here gives you hands-free. If somebody's calling you, you just hit the number 2 button in this case, and that's going to answer the phone, the same as the play and pause button for your music. And you can talk like you normally would, and just hit the number 2 button there again in order to hang up the phone. Let's see how well it works. So let's go ahead and go to Google, ask Google a question. What makes the 80s so great? There you go. Obviously, it popped up something because it heard me. But a lot of people ask me, "Hey, Tony, I want to have AM/FM radio. What's the dealio?" So there's an app here. This one's actually called Radio FM. This I got it from the Play Store. Yes, it says Radio LY, but it's actually Radio FM is actually what it says in the Google Store. So I'm going to hit it. Now, this app here is completely free. Free, of course, meaning that it's going to have ads, unfortunately. And I can actually play any radio station I want in the world. You can see, look at all the countries I can actually play. And then hit USA. Now, when I hit this, as I said, you got ads. Oh, here's the exit out button. And up here on the top is where all of the states are. I'm in Chicagoland, so I'm going to hit Illinois. And now I'm going to hit the loop. And now the loop here is going to play something live. But that's playing live, Pearl Jam. But that's it. I don't know what else to tell you about this, guys. It works great. It seems to work flawlessly. Quality of the audio was fantastic. And when they press AM here, I do have an auxiliary jack in the back that comes out. It's a 3.5 millimeter for another audio selection if you wish, whatever you want it to be. You use your imagination. Most people probably just want to use the FM with the Bluetooth hands-free with the microphone. Let me know what you guys think. I think this is all in all a very good setup. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks.